Good morning students. Today we start our topic polymer. Polymer. You know this word polymer. In our day-to-day life many things related to polymer is used. Our buckets, our toys, pipes, PVC pipes, bakelite, all these things are polymer. Nylon, terylene, etc. These things also are polymers. So polymers used in our day-to-day life very much. Today we start polymer. What is polymer? Polymer is made up of two words, poly and mers. In Greek language, poly means many and mers means unit. So that polymers are those molecules which are made up of repeating units or structural units. It means polymer molecule is made up of small molecules. They are joined to each other and make a large molecule. So polymers are also known as macromolecules. It means polymers are those compounds which have high molecular mass and also known as macromolecules. So here also a question. All polymers are macromolecules, you know, but all macromolecules are not polymer. All macromolecules like hemoglobin, like chlorophyll, these are macromolecules but not polymer. But all polymers, because small units are joined together up to 1000 or 2000, so the polymers are macromolecules. Clear all of you? Now next point, these are formed by repeating of structural units. I already say you that polymers are made up of repeating units of structural monomers. These structural units are known as monomers, single molecule. By this a polymer is formed is known as monomer. The process of formation of polymer is known as polymerization. This process is known as polymerization, and very common example in your day-to-day life is polythene. You know this word polythene, and its monomer unit is ethene. What is the formula of ethene? CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. If we take so many molecules and it is represented by a N. N is the varying in number, it is 5000, 1000, so on. So we use the word small n. Small n means large number of molecules. We take CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. Condition is high temperature and pressure or in presence of catalyst. Generally catalyst is peroxide, H2O2 or oxygen traces. You can say in presence of high temperature and pressure, presence of peroxide, ethene molecules combine to each other and form polythene. That time double bond of ethene break up. Double bond break up and two single bond is formed. And in this single bond continuously CH2 part is joined, and we write it a big bracket, valency outside, CH2 single bond CH2, this valency also outside, show that continuously repeating unit takes place by the whole N. That is known as polythene. Again a question, the number of binding site in a monomer unit is called its functionality. A one line question, what is functionality? The number of binding site in monomer unit. Here the binding site, one binding site, this is second binding site. So ethene contain two functionality. Sometime this functionality may be 3, maybe 4. So you learn it, the number of binding site in a monomer unit is called its functionality. Thank you.